Welcome to Shep Rambles, where I am Shep and I tend to ramble about what? Anything and everything. We got another article here in regards to the gig companies. This one's more specific to GrubHub. So apparently, just recently, GrubHub's stock just went 40% plunge, and Goldman Sachs said, well, we got this wrong. So let's take a look and see what this is all about. So after a 40% plunge on Tuesday, October the 29th, Goldman Sachs said it can no longer recommend buying food delivery service GrubHub. I don't know. I could have told you that. We got this wrong, said Goldman Sachs analyst Health Terry in a note. To clients. Anyway, Terry downgraded GrubHub to neutral from buy and slashed its 12-month price target to $30 from $86. Shares of GrubHub cratered 43% on Tuesday to $31.79 after reporting disappointing third quarter earnings and giving fourth quarter guidance well below Wall Street's expectations. Not only did Goldman have a buy rating on the food delivery company, that didn't, and I'll show you that wasn't making a difference, but the firm had the company on a list of its favorite stocks, its conviction buy list. To be fair to Goldman, the stock is about flat since the firm first added it to the list in 2014. No, I wouldn't say flat. We significantly underestimated the impact of competitor investments on customer behavior, blah, blah, blah. And here is a snippet of what happened in the market. So, yeah, they're making it look here as like, oh, no, it's kind of flat. And you can see how much it dropped. I mean, that is just insane, that drop right there. GrubHub earnings fell short as competition in food delivery space forces. The embattled space forces. I hear that and I'm thinking there's like a space force in outer space shooting each other. Who knows, maybe with the SpaceX program or whatever it is that's going on with Virgin, which they are now public. I've actually bought some stock from them. Who knows, maybe these delivery companies will fight each other in space while they go deliver food to the moon or something. But anyway, they embattled the stock to spend heavily despite losing more than half of its value this year. The weak results forced analysts to rethink their ratings, and five of them downgraded GrubHub on Tuesday, including two firms that double downgraded the stock. So there's a lot of competition, and GrubHub used to be number one. From what I understand, DoorDash is number one now, even though GrubHub still says they're number one. But you know how that goes. They kind of tell you a partial truth. Yeah, we're number one. Well, they might be number one in a certain state, but saying that they're number one, well, that's still kind of true in that state, but not the majority of them. I don't know. I don't do the numbers in regards to who's number one and who's number two. I don't really care. GrubHub is honing in on restaurant partnerships and investing heavily in technology. Like I said, they're going to be going out in space and shooting each other up. Terry said he believes GrubHub is making the right long-term decisions for the business, but shares may struggle some more. So, let's talk about those shares. So here it is down here. Maybe see if I can scroll this down here and bring it up a little bit. Well, we'll not show the stupid advertisement that's down there. I would make this full screen, but when I try to, it just it gives me an error. But anyway, here you can see that the stock, this is today. This is only today where it's climbing back up. Well, yeah, it's climbing back up because it plunged. So you can see that plunge right there. So don't let this fool you. Okay, and don't let this fool you. Take a look at the max part. So you can see that it's been relatively flat. It did climb up, and then in 2018 it just started to fall. So if we kind of zoom in just a little bit, you can see that it's right now it's got a downward trend. So it has not been looking good for GrubHub for over a year now. So what, since October 2018? Yeah, so it's been about a year, and it's or it has been a year, and it's been going down steadily. So is now a good time to invest in them? I don't know. Maybe. It's only $36 a share. Maybe buy one share. that way, if it drops to $20, you're only losing like $16. You know, I don't know for sure. I'm kind of debating it, but when you see this downgrade here, it's just, you know, I'm not really sure. And when you look at the max, I mean, it was down here. I mean, it looks like, look at this. It was like $43 as low as $24. I mean, it's dropping back down to the point it was down here. So, you know, it could shoot back up, I guess. It might be worth maybe buying a couple of shares and then selling once it gets high enough. But yeah, so stocks can say a lot about a company. If their stocks are falling and falling and falling and falling, well, that means the company is struggling most of the time. So anyway, that's all of this. Let me know what you think about the whole thing. I don't have GrubHub. I did try to. I applied for it. I was on a waiting list. I haven't heard anything back. I have no idea if I'll ever hear anything back. Probably not. I don't know. But if you drive for GrubHub, you know, what do you think about this? Is it worth driving GrubHub anymore? Are you better off just doing DoorDash or Postmates or Uber Eats? Let me know. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Do you have stock in GrubHub? You know, and do you feel that you just recently got burned by this, or are you just not worried about it? Anything. I'm interested in what you have to, what you've got to say. And like this video if you found this useful, and subscribe if you haven't already, because we're doing everything we can to build up this channel. I'm doing my best to get a video up every day of the week. Every day has a different theme to it. This particular series, Shep Rambles, just kind of plays whenever, you know, whenever I come across interesting articles. So there's not a specific day for these type of videos. And ring the notification bell so that way you'll be notified when a new video is uploaded to the channel, because like I said, I do videos all the time, and not just the Shep Rambles series. So anyway, thanks for watching, and I will see you on another rambling video.